Good morning from my room. Today is October 25th, Monday. Right now the time is 7:43. Today, I'm going to get picked up by the rental car company to pick up my loaner car. And then I have to wait for the adjuster to come and check out my car and get an estimate on the repair. And third, I have to wait for my car to get towed to the repair shop. So that's what's happening today. Okay, here's an update. So, I just got a call from the rental car company. They're going to pick us up. They're going to pick up me and my mom. I'm going to have my mom with me. And we are going to get picked up in about 20-30 minutes. They're running behind on schedule, so we'll just wait till then. But yeah, it's good. We're getting picked up. Okay, so this is our rental. We got a Nissan Rogue 2021. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna have this for 4 days, I think. You know, they haven't called me yet. All right, so here's an update. The adjuster from Geico called. He said he was going to send a tow truck company car to a repair shop called Capital Repair, I think. So the adjuster told me they have been getting a lot of claims in regards to the catalytic converter theft. So they are not too sure how long it's going to take for my car to stay in the repair shop. They don't know how long it's going to take to get the specific part for my car to get it repaired. Yeah. The adjuster from Geico mentioned that there were so many cars they received claims from in regards to the catalytic converter. He does not know how long they're unsure of how long it's going to take for my car to stay in the repair shop, as well as getting the part for my specific car to get it replaced. The adjuster mentioned after he called me, he was going to send a tow truck company to my house to get my car picked up and towed to the repair shop of their choice. The mechanic there at the repair shop is going to check to see how much it'll cost to repair the car. The mechanic is going to send that estimate to the adjuster, and then the adjuster is going to do their whole little process thing. Today I'm out of work. Leia's out of school, but because we got the rental today, it's fine. Leia can go to school tomorrow and I can go to work tomorrow. Lots of changes need to be made. I don't know how long I'm going to keep my rental. Also learned from the tow truck guy that cars from my year, or about 2008, somewhere around there, specific cars like my car, most Toyotas, Toyota Priuses, as well as some Hondas, they have a special engine or something from 2008 and below that they are targeted on stealing their catalytic converter because of some kind of special engine that was made back in 2008 and below or something like that. So correct me if I'm wrong. I never knew that, and the tow truck guy knew that, and that's the reason why these cars were targeted. My car specifically, my sad, small, old, a little bit beat up, but the engine was so good. That's what the tow truck guy said. The engine is special or something like that. That was targeted to take the catalytic converter. So that's basically what happened. And that's why my car was a target. It was a specific target. But anyway, that is the update right now. And got my rental. My car got towed. Just need to wait for the estimate, and then the adjuster takes care of it. And that's basically it. Just gotta do regular things now. Now we can go further places. Okay, I guess my family's calling me, so bye. Tell me your thoughts.
I like the car a lot.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
What do you like about it?
like how it's bigger, more spatial. I like how it has like 6 seats. It has a first aid kit and like technology, like an automatic car with an automatic key and other stuff. I like all those things about it.
Awesome. Today I got my rental and I used it. I used my rental. It's a Nissan Rogue 2021, which is super cool. Those are one of the cars that I really, really liked before when I was looking at cars. And then my car got towed sometime around after I came home with the rental. So that's gone. Now I'm just stuck with the rental for a couple days, I think like 4 days. And from there, I'm still waiting for the estimate from the adjuster for the repair of my car from the converter, the catalytic converter, the cat converter or something like that. I'm waiting for the estimate to see how long it'll take and also how much it'll cost. It's something that could have been prevented, I understand, but it's really hard because that's the only car I have. It's not the best looking car aesthetically, but it worked. And it took me from A to B. That's the only car we have. That's the only car I drive. I'm the only driver in my house. I drive my mom, I drive my dad, I drive Leia, I drive myself. And to see that car, a part of it got stolen, I did not realize how valuable that car was until that part got stolen. Apparently, I don't know much about the Toyota Echo until it got stolen. And those thieves out there knew how much valuable it was. That's very hard to take in. So now what's left is just waiting for the estimate, how long it'll take to repair or get the part. Try not to get used to driving that car because I'm gonna get really used to it. I go back to work tomorrow. Leia goes back to school tomorrow. We're just gonna do our regular routines until further notice. So it's really hard because I'm a single mom. I live with my parents. I'm the driver. And I work hard. Can't believe somebody would do something like that. So, yeah. Well, anyways, I'm going to use that car. I'm going to use the Nissan up the gas. So, we're going out. That's pretty much it. That's what's going on right now. You know, don't... Yeah. Whatever. Bye. Probably. But it's so much more convenient. I know. Only?
Yeah.
For her?
Yeah, the part is the first, even though she doesn't have price,
She still pays? Good
yeah.
job.
I take it because sometimes
They just hang out? So nice. Huh?
Yan po, banda.